I'm extremely sorry guys, you cannot become a fluent speaker no matter how hard you try within 6 days or 7 days. It's next to impossible. Hear me out. So sometimes it's said that it's better than having nothing to have something, right? I'm not telling you that you cannot improve, you cannot become better at it after practicing so hard relentlessly for 7 days or 6 days. I didn't say that. I said you cannot become the perfect English speaker by practicing, so-called perfect. There is no definition of perfect of being in any language or per se in English, let alone any other language. It's not possible for 7 days. So what are the things that we can do to improve our English by following few tips that I'm gonna apprise you today. In today's video, I'm gonna inform you certain facts that would really genuinely help you. I never ever have shared anything what never helped me before or what hasn't helped me throughout my journey. I never shared those things with you. All right, so let's begin. Let's dig in. Welcome back to my channel, guys. This is your host Tawfiq, and here I'm gonna begin with the first topic that I'm gonna discuss about today. So here the thing is that at the beginning I will gonna discuss about the most significant topic that I often bring up with me in most of my videos. If you watch them, you will find out that these things are pretty common. The topics that I have mentioned, they are pretty common, but it is more frequent. All right, so here the topic is shadowing. In there, what you have to do by doing it, you have to listen one audio or one video. You have to repeat after the person is saying, or you don't have to repeat that person. Just read out the subtitle. First listen to him or her and watch the subtitle, then mute the audio and watch the subtitle and try to imitate the same sentence that the person was saying. With the dialogue he's saying, with the gesture, try to do it, imitate them. This is how your muscle will be trained. I mean your jaw muscle, your tongue, it would be more accustomed with speaking this language, or our expression, the language we are learning to speak. You would learn some expressions, your mouth will be pretty much used to it if you add on this habit into your daily life. Okay, so I have a lot of topic to discuss about. I cannot drag this topic any longer. I will jump into the next one. So what is the next one, guys? Next one is very common topic that I often say, but most of the time I say that please do not take stress or pressure. If you push yourself, if you take a lot of stress and worry about something, you would hardly get it. If you run after something, that will run from you. If you try to walk to that thing, or try to not care about it but still crave it or still strive it, you will definitely get it. And it happened to me most of the time. It happens to me in terms of English speaking also. So here is that I'm telling you, I will tell you, please write something for 10 minutes, whatever sentence that coming into your mind. I'm gonna tell you something. What you have to write, listen a story. In YouTube there are a lot of stories available. In books there are a lot of stories, right? Listen to that story or read that story and write the same thing in your own words by using vocabulary, sentence structure, whatever you are learning in daily basis. Use all of them. Do not spare anything. All right? Nobody is gonna be snooty and pass a mean comment on you. It's only yours. You are not sharing with anyone. Your diary will not gonna be read in future if you don't let anyone. Okay? So here is the thing, you can write down the story within 1 page or within 2 pages, then find out your own mistakes. If you do that every day for 6 days, I will write you somewhere. You can take my words, I will change my name if it doesn't improve your English. Okay, these are very, very strong, very simple to sound, but very, very firm in their work. These kind of strategies are recommended by language trainers. The thing I'm telling you, I'm not saying anything that is gonna mislead you. I'm not blabbering here or doing loose talk. I'm here for your own good. So please inculcate these habits, the habits I told you and habits I'm going to tell you about in future in your daily life. So you can help yourself. The thing I'm gonna tell you in upcoming topic, those are also similarly significant. So let's go towards that without any further ado. Enough knowledge, enough wisdom that I have given you by now. Okay, the third topic that I'm gonna talk about, that is listening songs and listen so many times and watch the watch the lyrics so many times that you will grasp the entire song. Okay, how it happened? You have to listen one song thousands of times, then it would come very familiar with you. It will be very what can I say, you would literally mug up the entire lyrics, right? You would mug up, so it would not be so difficult for you to sing with that person, with the singer, while he's singing. You can imitate him, or repeat after him, or if you wanna sing with him or after him, it's upon you, but you can try doing that. It's a super effective and very easy way of learning English. You are improving English as well at the same time, as well as you are relaxing. We are not putting any effort while listening a song or we are singing. Sometimes we do it mindlessly, but if it helps us improve our English efficiency or English skills, what good could be more than this? How better can a thing could be, right? More than this. So this is my third topic that I have talked about, and in my previous talk I have mentioned that being relaxed or being comfortable with what we do without any unnecessary pressure is very important in the journey of learning English. Okay guys, so here however, I'm gonna share with you the fourth topic that I have for you, that is tongue twisters. It is very common. Many people take it for granted, underestimate it. Please do not do it. It sounds lame, but it helps train our tongue for our upcoming speeches or conversations that we are gonna make mistake with, right? It would help us fix that. So it's a friend of us. Embrace it. Alright, I'm gonna tell you practice some simple tongue twisters, like Kitty caught the kitchen. Sorry, I am making mistakes. Kitty caught the kitten in the kitchen, or Billy blows big blue bubblegums. I have made a separate video over tongue twisters. You can go check that out. It would help you really well to get a hang on tongue twisters. Okay guys, so please learn 2-3 tongue twisters, practice them 2-3 times or more than them out loud in your room in order to fix your pronunciation. Alright, so we are almost done with our entire genre of being fluent in English. We are on the journey. We have embarked upon it. We never know that when we will become good at it. So till then guys, take care. Bye. Have a nice one.